Hello again, my brilliant learners. I'm so happy you're here to learn another useful word with me. Every new word makes your English stronger and richer. Today's word is close in meaning to the one we learned last time. It is about a special attitude. Today, we're going to learn the word modest. So, what does modest mean? Modest means not talking much about your achievements or abilities. It's about being humble and not showing off. People who are modest are often calm and polite. Here are 5 example sentences to help you understand and remember the word modest. She gave a modest smile when praised for her work. Despite winning the award, he stayed modest and quiet. They live in a modest house, but it's very comfortable. He has modest talents, but works very hard. A modest person doesn't need to show off to be respected. All right, now it is time for a short story, just 10 sentences, to help you remember modest in context. When I was younger, I was shy and modest. I didn't like to talk about my successes. At school, I always worked hard but stayed quiet about my grades. One day, my teacher told me that being modest is a good quality. It helps people like you and respect you more. As I grew older, I learned to be proud but still modest. It's a balance between confidence and humility. Now, I try to stay modest even when I'm successful. Being modest doesn't mean hiding your talents. It means being kind and real. So, try to be modest and see how it changes your life. So, that's the word modest. Calm, humble, and respectful. Try to use it in your conversations this week. See you next time for another useful word. Take care and keep learning.